Ever wondered how programmers magically save and share their code? Today, we'll unravel the magic of Git and GitHub, learning how to commit your work from your computer onto the internet for all the world to see, or at least, your collaborators. First, you need a project you're working on, something like a website, a game, or even a simple text file. This project is what we want to track and synchronize the files of, so your computer and GitHub can sync it. Now, you'll want to initialize Git in your projects folder. Think of this as telling Git, hey, start paying attention to this folder. Then you will be able to create different versions of your project. Next, before saving anything, we will add files that need to get updated with the Git command so it can track the changes. Let's make sure we save those changes onto our computer. That's where Git commands come in. We use the git command to stage the files that we want Git to know about. This command effectively says, Git, I'm ready to save these changes. Then, since we add them, we will want to commit them to save and store them. After staging your changes, it's time to commit them. Think of it as saving what you want to have saved in your project locally. This means writing a message to describe what and why you changed the files, so that other contributors and yourself will be able to understand what has been worked upon. Your message will be forever stored on a remote repository. The last step, and the one that puts your committed changes onto GitHub for everyone to see, is the git push command. This command is the key which links your local project to your online GitHub repository. When you git push, all of your committed changes are uploaded and synchronized with the remote repository. And there you have it. Now you've successfully committed and pushed your code to GitHub. You're now well on your way to collaborating in a co-environment.